What's up, kid? Here we are at the Residence Inn by Marriott, Portland, downtown Waterfront in Portland, Maine. Room 510. Let's take a tour. So I did turn on the first light here because it's kind of odd. It's very dark, I guess, mood lighting here when you come in. So this light switch turns on this light right there, but I'm gonna turn this one on. So, Residence Inn. So we have a little kitchenette here. Let's try this light switch. There we go. So sink, small dishwasher, and then a range. No oven. We do have a microwave. And then we have a freezer and fridge. Both look pretty clean, so no complaints there. This one does have an ice maker, as well as an ice cube tray. If we go into what is in here, we have, looks like glasses for 4. Yep. Some mixing bowls, measuring cup. Over here, plates and bowls for 4 as well. Under here we have the silverware. We have some utensils here for the kitchen. A couple more utensils. I was assuming those are going to be empty. A cutting board. And then a toaster. Alright. Underneath the sink we have a scrub mommy. A couple of dishwasher tabs and some soap, as well as, a trash can. And then up here, I don't see any pots yet. Oh, because I missed a cabinet. Duh. Alright, so nothing up top there. But then this cabinet here. Yeah. There we have some pots and a pan. So, coffee maker is the one with the little special plastic tray with the pouches. So, not a bring your own place. The room setup is quite unusual. We have dueling queen beds. Never seen this before. So dueling queen beds, which means that if you're both of the beds are in use, and you're trying to watch the TV from them, nobody has a good view. Not really sure about this setup, but we do have a little chair here for sitting, as well as a table for 2. I'll turn on the TV, but we'll go into the bathroom here. So this light here does turn on and off that front light. It's just kind of convenient. In the bathroom, we have a bar of soap, some makeup remover wipes, and some tissues. Inside of here, we have a hair dryer. Nothing in that one. Closet space, we have plenty of hangers. Don't need to open up the other side, but we have an iron and ironing board, and then a little tray there. Sorry, I'm getting the TV back on. All right, so bathroom. We have stuff for 3, it looks like. Towels, and then we have 4 regular size towels, though. I guess we have right there too. So I guess really towels for 4. So seating for 2. Everything else is built for 4s. In the bed, we do have the 39 degrees north shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. The bathtub itself looks pretty clean. Yeah, no real big issues there. Shower head looks like it's got a couple of different adjustments. Overall, looks pretty good. The fan is on. It's super weak though, so I don't really anticipate that doing much. TV wise, here we go. Picture quality is good. Once again, just crap viewing angles from the bed itself, so that's not super helpful. Let's see here. I don't know. ESPN should have football on. Yeah, I mean, the picture is good. It's just not ideal viewing. I mean, they're fine, but not great. I guess they'll work for that. But outside, let's finally take a look here at the outside. So you can't really see it, but off to the left in this area here is the water. I mean, I think during the day you could probably see it in between those buildings there as well. But yeah, some office space and some other hotels in the area. Looks like there is a Mexican restaurant right down here. It does not want to zoom in, but just take my word for it. It's there. But yeah, don't know what else is out there. We'll see tomorrow. But that's it. So this is the Residence Inn by Marriott, Portland, downtown waterfront in Portland, Maine. Well, until next time.